How to use Power Etrade for options. To use Power Etrade for options trading, follow these steps. Log into your Etrade account and open the Power Etrade platform. Search for a stock or ETF and access its options chain. Filter options by expiration dates, strike prices, and type: call, put. Analyze contracts using tools like the Options Analyzer or Probability Analysis. Select an option. Customize the order, example, number of contracts, price, and place it. Monitor and manage open trades in the Positions tab. Use features like Strategy Seek or Live Action Scanner for strategy insights. For additional help, use the platform's educational resources or customer support. Thanks for watching.